Insurance. Everybody's got to have it. Not everybody likes to pay the bill. However, it's a monthly habit you want to get used to. Do never let your insurance lapse. Insurance, you can't have enough of it. Buy as much as you can afford. Those are my tips on insurance. At the same time, you've got to pay that deductible when a claim comes in. And should you pay the deductible? Should you make a claim? Those are really scary questions in this hard market of insurance. I recommend you speak to your agent, have a good relationship. Don't make a claim unless you have to, and it's going to be maybe $5,000 or more. That might be a number to use to decide whether you want to make a claim or not. Typically, claims can go up anywhere from 15 to 50% over the course of the next 1 to 5 years, or maybe nothing. But quite often, like a car accident, when you have a claim, your rates go up. My personal experiences, I had a fire damage on one of my jobs as a water damage. I had a plumber there, and he caused some ABS to melt. About $138,000 claim against me, and my insurance paid it. So I was happy to have insurance. But I had to pay my deductible, of course, $2,500, but my rates went up $6,000. They haven't gone down. So that's $6,000 every year now I'm going to pay extra because I had that one loss. Wish I had more good news to tell you about insurance. Don't ask me any, I won't tell.